If you've been watching the drone space closely, get ready because DJI is about to shake things up in a major way. Just when the buzz was settling around the OMO 360 Nano and MC3, a fresh leak has shifted all eyes to what might become DJI's most groundbreaking release of the year, the DJI Mini 5 Pro. And let me tell you, this isn't just another tweak to the Mini lineup. It's a bold leap that could redefine what lightweight drones are capable of. Whether you're a seasoned aerial videographer, a content creator looking for professional quality in a compact body, or just a tech enthusiast who likes flying gadgets with a purpose, this news is something you won't want to miss. Now here's where it gets really interesting. DJI typically follows a pretty predictable release cycle, right? So most of us expected the Mini 5 Pro to drop in September 2025. But according to recent leaks, we're talking from reliable newsters. With solid track records, the launch could come much earlier, around August 7th. That's only weeks away. If these sources are correct, this would mark one of DJI's fastest product cycles ever, signaling that they're not just improving, they're accelerating the pace of innovation. Let's get into the design because leaked images and prototype sightings are showing off some serious upgrades. First, the camera housing is significantly larger, hinting at a much more powerful sensor. Combine that with what looks like a revamped lens system and enhanced stabilization, and you've got a drone that's ready to compete with models twice its size. But the real jaw-dropper? Front-facing LiDAR sensors in a sub-250 grams drone? That's a massive leap in obstacle detection, especially in this weight class. Add larger vented motors for improved stability and flight power, and it's clear DJI isn't cutting corners. Foldable propellers are still there, which keeps the drone travel-friendly. Those oversized propeller guards? They're not just for safety, they're likely designed to meet FAA Category 1 drone standards, allowing pilots to fly in restricted areas, it's like urban spaces and public gatherings, without going through hoops of paperwork. And let's talk compliance, because this drone seems built for the future. With regulations tightening across the US and Europe, DJI is going all in with integrated remote eye, which means the Mini 5 Pro will be ready to fly legally and safely right out of the box. That, along with its rumored all-directional obstacle sensing, puts it on par with DJI's top-tier models. We're talking about visual sensors plus laser-based detection, giving pilots full situational awareness. That's especially important for complex spaces or crowded areas, where even a small bump can ruin a perfect shot. Flight intelligence is another area getting a serious boost. Expect smarter AI features like active track upgrades, refined master shots for automatic cinematic sequences, waypoint navigation for pre-planned flights, and even gesture-based controls. Because who doesn't want to direct a drone with their hands like they're in a sci-fi movie? These additions make it not just a pro's tool, but a perfect entry point for beginners who want polished results without mastering a flight manual. Battery life is also seeing a big bump. According to leaks, we might get a 4,680 milliamp hours battery, which could mean up to 50 minutes of flight time. That's practically double what earlier mini drones offered. Imagine exploring a scenic landscape, tracking a subject, or setting up a complex shot all without the pressure of swapping batteries mid-flight. And transmission range. Leaks say up to 15 miles thanks to DJI's newest OcuSync tech. Gives you freedom to fly farther, capture more, and maintain a rock-solid connection while doing it. Of course, what's a great drone without a killer camera? While full camera specs are still under wraps, it looks like DJI is aiming high. Rumors suggest a 1-inch image sensor, improved low-light performance, better dynamic range, and support for 10-bit color profiles. That's a dream for creators who want to color grade like pros. Add in a vertical shooting mode, and suddenly this drone becomes perfect for TikTok Reels or YouTube Shorts without compromising quality. So what does all this mean? The DJI Mini 5 Pro is shaping up to be more than just a hardware refresh. It's an entirely new statement in the world of lightweight drones. Combining pro-level imaging, smart AI features, FAA-ready compliance, and incredible portability, this drone might just become the choice for both everyday users and serious creators alike. If DJI stays on track, we could see an official teaser by late July, so be ready. Because this might be the most exciting drone launch of the year. If you're excited about the DJI Mini 5 Pro like I am, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell so you don't miss the full breakdown once it's officially unveiled. Give this video a like if you learned something new, and drop a comment with the feature you're most hyped for. And before you go, check out the videos on your screen right now. One dives into DJI's remote ID policy, and the other compares the Mini 4 Pro with its rivals to show just how far we've come. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Fly safe and stay creative.